Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Roman Nico Railroad. Continuing with this all 3D printed passenger set, 36-foot wood-sided cars that I'm building. This is part 2, which will be the parcel car, where they load equipment. And before I get into the video, I want to give kudos or recognition to the gentleman who created these files originally. He made them for a 50-foot passenger set, and his name on Thingyverse is Andy _G 1955. That's Andy _G55. I just wanted to give him kudos. I don't want to take credit for his work. What I did is on Tinkercad, I scaled them all down to match 36-foot passenger set. Well, let's get on with the video. Hope you guys enjoy. These were printed with Bambu P1P, and you can see the difference in the quality of print. It's an amazing printer, and it took maybe 2 hours to print all this. And if you look at this one, you can tell the difference in the print. You see the little blemishes there. Yeah, what a difference. After I put them all together, I go ahead and hit them with a coat of primer, just regular flat gray primer. That way the paint from the airbrush sticks a lot better. And here they are completed. They look really, really nice. After printing the roof, you can notice the texture on that one and this one, nice and smooth. So if you guys download these files, don't print it like this. Print it like this, even though you're gonna have a big buildup of you gotta clean up in here. But you do a tree with a tree support, it'll clean up nice and easy, nice and quick. And I like it a lot. So it came out a lot better. And this is gonna be the parcel. Printed this in about 4 hours. I'm doing the interior now, which is just a bunch of cargo baggage and stuff like that. And I messed up on this one. I put doors, which it should have been the solid. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to print out. It really doesn't matter. I'll leave the doors. It really doesn't matter. No big deal. But that's the second one. I just finished spray painting the roof and the doors, and I did the interior of the parcel car. Added that little figure there, and there's the car right here. So those pieces of paper is what I cover the top windows with. Did it on that one, I did it on this one. It fits perfect. Left a little gap for my lights, but looks good. Well, here they are, our first 2 done. Just wanted to show you guys. Beautiful, beautiful. I wanted to show you guys the difference between my my 3D printer Anycube Viper and my 3D printer Bambu Labs P1P. This was printed all with the Viper. You can see Viper's an entry-level printer. This is my fault. But Viper's an entry-level printer. But you can see the detail. It's not as crisp. It's crisp. Now, if you look at the P1P, this is night and day. Look at how crisp. Not a blemish. It looks, for a 3D printer, a mid-level 3D printer, it's amazing. Well, I still got 4 more to go. The next one's gonna be, I think they call it, this the kitchen, the parcel. The other one's the same as this, just got bigger doors. And then I'm gonna do 1 business car and then 2 passenger. So there she is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, click the little bell button. Like always, happy road. Oh, before I leave, all the files I uploaded them in my Tinkercad under FL Railroad Dog. And if you can't get them all there, let me know and I'll send you the links via email. They're all there, ready to print. Okay, happy railroading. Bye.